Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel Fire Alert. In today's video, we will learn about the different methods of rolling hoses practiced in fire services. The first method we will see is the coil roll. It is the most common method of rolling the fire hose. Here we start rolling from the female coupling and finish with the male coupling outside. Rolling in this way makes it easier for a fireman to carry the hose. The second method is the Dutch roll. To do a Dutch roll, first you have to lay the hose on ground with one coupling above the other. So you will fold the hose from half its length and place it above the rest of the hose, then start rolling from the end where there is no coupling, and you will end up with both couplings at the end facing outside. When rolled this way, it is easier to unroll also. And the third method is called flaking. Here you hold the hose in way as shown in the picture, with one coupling at the bottom and the other one at the top. Again, here it is easier to unroll this. If you hold the coupling at the top and move forward, then it will keep unraveling itself. And the last method we will see is the figure of 8. Here you lay the hose in the shape of figure 8. This method is employed where the available space for rolling a hose is insufficient or you have a limited space. And that's all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching this, and please like, share and subscribe the channel, and do follow us on Instagram through the link given in the description.